Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the music on the Township application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, go to the three line at the upper right corner of the screen. That's my firm. Go to the three line and click to the settings icon. And new, in the settings section you can find the lower bar and click to the music button. And new, the music is turned off. If you want to enable, just click that. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.